areas where sermons may never reach.
Alongside them, we also honor our teachers who play a vital role in shaping the next generation of workers and missionaries, not only imparting knowledge, but instilling values, character, and faith, preparing young minds not only for this earth, but for heaven.
Today, we recognize their commitment, their sacrifices, and their faithful service in advancing God's work. We invite the following individuals to join us on stage as we recognize our awardees. Pastor Rodel Belga, NL President, Cardiel, Bangkok International Church Pastor, Dr. Alan Miguel, AFC Manila Vice President for Medical Affairs, Pastor Remigio Isos Jr., Summer Mission Auditor, Abraham Del Rosario, NLPUM Publishing Director, Armando Ogmar, SLPUM Publishing Director, R.D. Diaz, NLPUM Education Director, Agnes Ravalo, SLPUM Education Director, Mildred Santiago, CLC Education Director, Esusa Venida, CLPM Education and Children's Ministries Director, Avelino Gadiano, MPM Education, Adventist Youth, Amicus, and Chaplaincy Director, Josephine Ines, NELM Education, Music, Children's Ministries Director, Jenny Diaz, NLM Education, Children's Ministries, Ministerial Spouses Association Director, Arlene Cavadin, CM Education and Children's Ministries Director, and Mary Christine Casper, SCLC Education Superintendent.
To also assist us in presenting these awards, may we invite Ms. Ray Ann Bukirin and Ms. Raquel Ramos on stage.
Good morning, everyone. Please allow me to read the citation for the Certificate of Recognition for Literature Evangelists. Certificate of Recognition is given to, in heartfelt appreciation of your faithful commitment to spreading the everlasting gospel through literature ministry. Your perseverance in sharing truth-filled pages has brought light, hope, and salvation to many homes. How beautiful are the feet of those who preach the gospel of peace. Romans 10 verse 15. Given this 15th of March 2026 at the GC Ansang Thanksgiving Banquet, Rizal Park Hotel, signed Rayan Bukiren, Raquel Ramos, Ivan Buab, Elitas Heidi Carino, and Agustin Buab. For our literature evangelist, Mr. Menard Beguino, Azenit Katapa, Alvin Estrada, Raquel Sawit, Stanley Sawit, Bebian D. Tanakaw, and John Randolph Garona.
Our awardees, kindly remain on stage for a moment after receiving your recognition so we can have a photo opportunity. Thank you for your cooperation.
We would like to thank you, sir. Okay. Now we will be giving recognition to our dear teachers. Certificate of recognition is given to in sincere gratitude for your Christ-centered dedication to teaching, mentoring, and shaping lives through Adventist education. Your work is a ministry that prepares students for service and eternity. Those who are wise shall shine like the brightness of the firmament, and those who turn many to righteousness like the stars forever. Daniel 12:3. Presented this March 15, 2026 at the GZ and Sam Thanksgiving Banquet, Rizal Park Hotel. Signed, Rayan Bukilen, President, Raquel Ramos, Bibi External, Ivaneta Guab, Officer Trainee, Elites Heidi Carino, Conductor, and Adelson Guab, Advisor. As I call your name, please be on the stage. Cheryl Lacambra from Baeza Adventist Elementary School. Imelda G. Dalumpines, Caloocan Adventist Elementary School. Marianor M. Montoya, Caloocan Adventist Elementary School. Milka Joy Zabala, Caloocan Adventist Elementary School. Larnie Resultay, Commonwealth Adventist Elementary School. Christina Cruz, Imelda Adventist Elementary School. Maricel Tua, Manila Center Adventist Elementary School. Miriam Palma, Manila Central Adventist Elementary School. Shirley Cabotero, Navotas Adventist Elementary School. Evelyn Danza, Navotas Adventist Elementary School. Akyat na po tayo, ma'am. To continue, Shirley F. Dabotero from Navotas Adventist Elementary School. Evelyn Ganza, Navotas Adventist Elementary School. Eloisa Sol, Quezon City Adventist Elementary School. Delma M. Barcoma, Pasay Adventist Church Elementary School. Remedios F. Rivera, Pasay Adventist Church Elementary School. Angelina Fajardo, Pasay Adventist Church Elementary School. And Ma'am Jenny Fofwe from Pasay Adventist Elementary School.